Back at the shop, giving y'all a recap from the Keys. Went to the finals and I slept. The car did its job. Have no tickets. There was no rules whatsoever. Other than a red light, that was it. Those guys were crossing lanes left and right, and whoever got there first won. It was kind of weird, but no problem. I drove all that way. I wasn't going to race, but I went to the finals. Don't know if the car is any faster, but boy, doesn't she look like she's scooting. So let's go over some data. Here's the final from the Keys. And look at that. She was ripping. So if you look, that slipper, all up to 72,000. Excuse me. And then you can see she tried to grip. This is what you want. You remember that shaft is dead idle, so you want it to get winging. You got to spool it up. First starts the grab. 52. Slips a little bit more, and this is no prep. So the slipper I had to loosen up a little bit. I don't know if you noticed in the video. But here's where she locks up. And as you can see, the amps also drop. And this is where the actual run begins. Almost a second. But you gotta finesse it down through there. So there's the slipper grabbing right there. Temp, ESC, not cold. Look at my highest amp draw. Woo-woo! But the difference is, it's not holding it. That's why you won't see an excessive temps. All the people telling you about timing and stuff, we're all gonna go through it all right now. I ain't holding nothing back. I want everyone to learn. So there's your amps, and here's the run. These little bumps is the actual road. On a flat surface, you won't see these. But the amps slowly drop as you gain momentum. It's less electrical draw. Then our finish RPMs. Not really finished because there's no track, so it's where I lifted. 63. I can only go to 65,000. So I'm real close to where it'll turn the turbo off, because the R1 can only let you go to 65,000 and the turbo shuts off. Safety feature, I guess. I don't know. I guess nobody's using that range of RPM. But I'm at 5.3 volts at the end of the run. Only amp draw 242. Not bad. I didn't change any gearing. There she is. There's a 20 right there. All I did was I messed with some other features, which I'm going to go back. So let me go back. I'm going to show you everything. There's all my initial settings. You can screenshot it, capture it. I don't care. I'm here to help anyone. This is what I was messing with. Didn't mess with timing. I'll show you everything I got. As you can see, I'm linear. Power curve, 4. Acceleration. These are the two things I was messing with. Power curve and acceleration. And it seemed to only affect the starting line, is which where my car is lacking. This started at 3. This started at 2. Ended up, I got at 4 because we only had a couple hours to test. Nobody showed up. It was Bisquick, Josh, and a couple other heavy hitters that I raced with. There was like 10 of us in our class, but not many people showed up. I don't know why. Maybe the far ride. The key scene didn't seem, the RC scene didn't seem that big. So anyways, I was using my power curve and my acceleration, which was at 0. Now it's at 75%. Then my start power. These are the three things I was messing with. This was at 0. Now it's at 75%. Brake frequency. People say, I run 1K on the motor. There it is. I have no heat issues. I will show you. Here you go. Turbo. There it is. 23. 45. I'm starting it at 20. Like I said, I can't go past 65,000. Okay, there it is. Delay, slope, 0. I'm hitting everything out of the gate. My end bell, let's see if I can't turn this around for you without losing the connection. Come on, baby, focus. It is really at 17, but I think she's gonna show up at 20. Y'all can see that. But anyways, there's my whole tune-up. The car, it looks quicker, but hey, next weekend I'm going to Okeechobee coming up. A few more days, and we'll get some tickets, and I'll let you know if it doesn't look faster or if it is faster. Y'all have a great day, and if you want me to film the testing, just let me know.